Alright, YouTubers, here we go again with another special Amazon Prime unboxing. You guys can check them out click the link down below. This is coming from Essentials by OFM. This is a chair mat for carpet. So a lot of us are working from home now. This would be a good one to get at a low cost. Get it fast, free shipping. And if you want to act now to get it fast shipped to you, click the link, check out, come back to ship, so they can ship it out to you fast. So we're going to get inside and do a little display because I got my own one I had to toss out, and now we got the new one. So this is Essentials by OFM. Be right back. Alright, this is what it looks like coming out of the box. Oh yeah, these last a long time, so you might just need to buy this one, and this should last you up to like 30 years. Or depends on how much abuse you put onto it, but these last quite some time. So there we go. Got little tie things on them. Just gotta pull them up. They're these kind of rings. So just throw them on the side, throw them in the garbage when you're done. And there's two of them. Should be easy Velcro, I think, or just cut. Yeah, I'm gonna have to cut this one. Let's see. But hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Thank you guys for watching. And this is from Essentials by OFM. And like I said, the link will be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. Ooh, this is a little toughy. And this is what it looks like out of the box. This, I gotta wrestle with it so I could get it flat. So I'm gonna pause you guys. And right now I'm gonna put this flat, give it a few seconds to flatten out. But this is what it looks like out of the box. So this is the Essentials floor mat for your chair, your office chair. Since we are working from home, hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Thank you for watching. I'll be right back. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We got it all set up. Bada boom. Be careful, guys, because down at the bottom, these little guys, these are sharp. Got jabbed. I don't know if you guys can see, and my other arm got cut up. So be careful unfolding it. I would do it this side, going up, and then just lay on it, and then it'll flatten out in no time. So I just gotta wait this side now. See, it's a little bubbly right there. I just gotta flatten it out more. Probably put the chair towards the back more. But yeah, it glides. So they also got the hard floors, floor mat. So all depends on what kind of style your office is in. It could be hardwood or carpet. They got you covered. And if you like this item, all you gotta do is click the link, add it to your cart, check out really fast so they can ship it to you fast, and then come back to your shop. It's pretty easy to do. But like I said though, be careful with the bottom. Definitely give you a little pinch. But yeah, I was getting stabbed my whole hand. My gloves got cut up. But they are sharp, so just be careful assembling them. If they're for your older folks, you might want to give them a hand, because you know, you don't want to get anyone hurt. So just be careful, guys. Really cool though. And I think these are under $50. So it can't be that deal without going to the stores or anything. Get it shipped to your doorstep. And boom, there you go. About 2-3 minutes. 2 minutes set it all up. So, alright, YouTubers. You guys be safe. Have a good day. See you soon.